just like that.
I have no idea.
Hopefully. We have to park. Okay, we're at the Hoover Dam. King Jody. So this was only 9 minutes from Williow Beach where we did the kayaking to Emerald Cove. So we decided to stop by on our way back to Las Vegas. And it is gorgeous. It's pretty. It's first time here. So they say the bodies of a lot of the men that built this Hoover Dam, their bodies are still in there. They fall in the cement and they couldn't get them out. Just left them. That's a lot. Our trip to Arizona and Nevada has been great. It's crazy to see how high the water used to be.